Raqi's Secret Files. What and who would you pick? Your marriage o ang greatest love mo? Itago nyo na lang ako sa pangalang Cindy. I have been married for about 29 years. Nakilala ko yung asawa ko when I was 16. Naging boyfriend ko siya noong 18 years old ako, and it was a long-distance relationship. My husband was my first boyfriend, first kiss, and first, we have been blessed with 2 wonderful children. But just like any marriages, hindi pwedeng mawala ang trials, hardship, and challenges. Dumating din sa pagsubok ang aming pagsasama. Oo. Natukso ang husband ko. He had a relationship with another woman. He confessed everything to me and asked for forgiveness. It has been 5 years since I learned about his affair. And yes, I went through hell. Pero natutunan kong patawarin siya. Mas pinili ko na makita ang magagandang bagay na ginawa niya kesa sa mag-focus doon sa ginawa niyang kalokohan. Pero hindi yun madali. Yung experience na yun ay binago ako. I became very sensitive and insecure. Even to the point na sometimes very emotional ako at napakaraming mood swings. Pero natutunan ko eventually how to cope with the pain at unti-unti akong tinulungan ng Diyos at malalapit kong kaibigan na makalimot at magsimula uli. Siyempre, mahal ko pa rin ang mister ko eh. Pero hindi na umiikot ang mundo ko sa asawa ko. Spoiled at pampered kasi siya sa akin noon. Pero bumaligtad ang mundo namin. Siya na ngayon yung maalaga at tinutulungan niya na ako sa mga gawaing bahay even without asking him. I should be happy kasi he's actually a better version of the man I used to love before the affair. Pero hindi ko na siya mahal kagaya ng dati. Nasasaktan pa rin ang kalooban ko kapag naaalala ko ang nakaraan. At nagtatanong pa rin ako sa sarili ko kung papaano niya nagawa kong lokohin. Madaling magpatawad, pero mahirap makalimot. I just chose to smile, and I just tried to be strong for my kids. But deep inside, I'm still broken. Hindi lang puso, kundi buong pagkatao. Kasi I see myself na ako pa rin yung babaeng niloko ng asawa ng harap-harapan. Nawala yung pagkamasayahin ko. I became insecure and reserved. Pero ganun pa man, natuto akong makontento kung ano man yung meron ako sa buhay ko. Hindi ko lang akalain na mababago yun ng isang personal message sa messenger from a good friend. Pero itong good friend na to, wala na akong communication dito for about 30 years. He searched me on FB at kinumusta niya ako. Itago natin siya sa pangalang Jason. Nakilala ko si Jason noong nagtatrabaho ako sa bangko as a teller. Isa siyang working student na nagbabangko sa amin. Hindi ko alam pero talagang magaan ang loob ko sa kanya. Kasi siguro nakikita ko yung pagsisikap niya sa buhay. Kaya noong yayain niya akong mag-lunch, hindi ako tumanggi. Kasi nga, palagay ang loob ko sa kanya. He was 19 at that time. And 21 naman ako. Mas bata siya sa akin pero okay siyang kasama. Masaya. Malakas ang loob niya. And he made me feel safe. He even took me ice skating. I was so afraid but he made me feel at ease habang hawak niya yung mga kamay ko while skating. And that was one of my happiest moments na hindi ko makakalimutan. Kasi nag-enjoy talaga ako at hindi ako nakadama ng anumang takot. There was even a time na gusto niya akong i-treat sa isang very nice restaurant para kumain pero tumanggi ako. Kasi alam ko nga yung situation niya. Nakita ko yung panghihinayang niya sa pagkakataon kasi nagpa-reserve pa daw siya doon sa resto. Ang sabi ko na lang, bakit hindi na lang tayo kumain ng meatball sandwich? Pumayag siya. At bago kami sumakay ng kotse, he handed me a single rose. Sabi ko, ba't nag-abala ka pa? At sabi niya sa akin, kasi special ka. At pasensya ka na kung iisa lang yan. I was touched with what he said. Kasi hindi naman sa pagmamayabang, no? Madalas, nakakatanggap ako ng bulaklak from my suitors. Dozens pa nga eh. Pero yung single rose from Jason meant a lot to me. Because it represents his sincerity and how much he cares for me. He always make me feel special. Then before I got married at lumipat ng East Coast, nagpaalam ako kay Jason. Hindi ko mapigilan yung pagluha ko kasi alam ko na hindi ko na siya makikita. And ever since then, I never talked or saw him again. Sumasagi lang siya sa isip ko kapag may nagtatanong sa akin na, what was your memorable experience? Of course, sa isip-isip ko, yung memorable experience ko ay yung ice skating memory ko. Kaya nung makita ko yung message niya, hindi ko mapigilang mapangiti. And all my memories of him came back. He gave me his work number to call him. And so I did. He still sounds the same kahit almost 30 years nang nakalipas. Hindi ako makapaniwala na nakita niya ako sa Facebook. Kasi I never mentioned to him ang magiging married name ko. Nevertheless, naging curious din ako kung ano na siya ngayon. So, napag-alaman ko that he became a successful engineer, divorced, and remarried. We reconnected and just started where we left off. Just two good old friends who started reminiscing. At habang lumilipas ang panahon, lumimit ang pag-uusap namin. He used to give me music on a cassette player, and he started doing that through our phone calls. And then I saw myself doing the same thing. Except this time, may mga deep meaning na yung pinapadala naming mga song sa isa't isa. Gaya ng After All ni DJ Raqi Terra. Tapos yung Waiting for You by Richard Marx. Kasi siguro, alam naman namin pareho na meron kami kanyang-kanyang pamilya. So instead of saying what we wanted to say to each other, we chose to say it in a song. At dahil doon, para bang mas napalapit kami sa isa't isa. Si Jason ang naging daan para makilala ko uli yung sarili ko. Pinalakas niya ang loob ko and changed the way I look at myself. Unti-unti niyang binalik yung saya sa akin that helped me heal the wounds that deeply scarred my heart. Hanggang sa isang araw, umuwi siya for one day so that we could see each other in person. Tuwang-tuwa ako nang magkita kami sa airport. Grabe. Kung paano ko pinipicture siya sa utak ko, ganun siya in person. He is still very gentle, respectful, at walang kayabang-yabang. Hindi ko mapigilan na yakapin siya ng maigpit at mapaiyak sa dibdib niya. Habang sinabi akong words na, "You found me. I can't believe that you found me." And then once again, naramdaman ko na safe ako sa piling niya. As if nothing can harm me. Spending few hours together was enough to show how deeply we feel for each other. Parehas kaming takot, pero hindi namin pinagsisisihan kung ano man ang nangyari sa amin. Yun siguro yung alam naming ite-treasure namin habang buhay. We live 1,000 miles away from each other. At sa mga maiikling pag-uusap namin, nagkakaroon kami ng inspiration, moral support, lakas ng loob, at kasiyahan na magpatuloy sa takbo ng buhay. Pero alam namin na mas malalim pa kaysa sa pagkakaibigan yung pagtitinginan namin sa isa't isa. Totoong wala kaming intention na magulo ang pamilya or to leave our spouses para magsama. Maliwanag sa amin ni Jason, nahihintayin na lang namin na dumating yung tamang pagkakataon at panahon kung saan wala kaming masasaktan. At yun ay kung ipagkakaloob sa amin yun ng may kapal. And that's why I wanted to write this letter to you. Hindi ko kasi alam kung may label yung ganitong klaseng relasyon. This might be considered as an extramarital affair, but it's not the typical one. Yes, Jason and I love each other. And yes, may namamagitan sa aming dalawa. But we also love our own families. Minsan kaming nakalimot. And I gave himself to him so that he knows how much I love and care for him. And I know na ganun din siya sa akin. We both believe na darating din yung tamang panahon para sa amin. At patuloy kaming maghihintay kahit na umabot pa kami ng 90 o 100 taon. At kung hindi naman, we will always have that one fine special day together for the rest of our lives. Again, this is Cindy, and this is my secret file.